In this video, I will show you how to use HubSpot AI Chatbot. First, go to Chatflow and create your web chat or bot. Here you set up your chat heading, write a welcome message like, "Got any questions? I'm happy to help," and choose specific users or teams. You can also enable automatic assignment so conversations go directly to team members and set distribution to load balanced or based on availability. Next, open Display to control how your chat widget looks on your website. You can adjust its appearance and style to match your brand. Then go to Availability, where you set your working hours like Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here you also choose behavior for available, away, and after hours so visitors know when your team is online or offline. After that, use Preview to test your chat flow. This lets you check the full conversation and make sure everything is working properly before publishing. Finally, go to Install Code, copy the embed code, and add it to your website to activate the chat widget. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.